good look at this. Here's how you would get. Is it just me, or do you notice when you put up Wi-Fi in the area to see who's in the hood, where you're not in? Do you get this FBI surveillance? FBI, broadcasting your neighborhood? Because it doesn't seem to matter where the fuck I go in the city. I need more coverage from you motherfuckers I have seen in the last. Don't get me wrong. I didn't see where you're at because you have so many fucking moles out there. My dudes. Where is the fucking man in the hood that I'm? Is it that one across the street you got? I mean, it's going on. I see it in the hood. I mean, you've even had surveillance van number 46 on me for a while. What the fuck is that like? I mean, we should talk. I miss you guys. No. Come on, finger. This was your fucking idea, not mine, remember? So when the records start to spill all over somebody's ass, remember who started this bullshit.